Okay, so for now, we're going to prepare the peri-peri sauce. Okay, what you need to have is that some coriander leaves. Okay, bunch of it. Just put in the blender or food processor, and then one large numbers of onion. This one is optional actually. You might put it or you might don't have to use it. Okay, and then two numbers of chilies, red chilies, and then cherry tomatoes, and then quite numbers, one handful of spicy red chilies or bird's chili, or actually the correct one is peri-peri chili, okay, from Africa, but we don't have it. You can also substitute it using bird's chili. Okay, this one is quite spicy, and then going to squeeze some lemon juice and then blend it. All right, and then salt and pepper plus paprika. Okay, so going to add in the paprika, and you might also add it later on. And then squeeze some lemon juice. I'm going to use one number of lemon juice. Okay, and then we might also add in some sugar. I'm using caster sugar. So this one we can adjust to season. Okay, and then we process it or blend it. Alright. Okay, please put some garlic. Okay, and add some water. And then you blend it. Okay, so now our peri-peri sauce is ready. Tastes so yummy. Okay, you may try it. Alright. Okay.